I've always had so much respect for Charisse as a performer. And
matapos ang successful back-to-back concert nila ni David Cook last year, bumisita muli sa bansa ang American Idol Season 7 runner-up na si David Archuleta. And last Wednesday, muli naman siyang naka-one-on-one ng Star Talk TX host na si Ricky Lo.
Hi David, welcome back to Manila.
Oh, thank you.
Your second visit since last year.
Yeah.
So what are you looking forward to in this second visit?
It'll be good to see the Filipino fans again and get to sing for them.
Isa ang Pinas sa napiling puntahan ni David para i-promote ang kanyang bagong album dahil naging malapit na raw sa kanya ang mga Pinoy fans. Lalo na ngayon na close friend niya ang Pinay international singing sensation na si Charisse Pempenko.
I've been reading in magazines, used magazines, that you know Charisse in some occasions. Of course you know Charisse.
Yeah. I did a Christmas album last year. And I actually sang a duet with Charisse on the album, which
on
was,
the album.
Yeah, and it was really great because I've always had so much respect for Charisse as a performer, and now I've gained so much respect for her as a person too.
Sounds like you know her very well.
Yeah, I've gone to just talk to her every now. I keep in touch with her every now and then, and I will be seeing her Sunday. So, yeah, we're just performing at the same place.
Bukod kay Charisse, malaki na rin daw ang paghanga ni David sa Pinoy boxing champ na si Manny Pacquiao.
Did you watch the Pacquiao-Margarito fight?
I did. I actually did. Yeah, that was really cool. It was, it was neat because last time we were here, we got to meet Manny.
David, thank you for being here again and enjoy your short stay here. Could you invite your fans out there to buy your album?
The Other Side of Down is my new album that's out right now, and I just hope that when people listen to it, that you'll just be able to understand more of me as a person and be able to just have a good time listening to the songs.
Yes, The Other Side of Dawn is up, and that's where David is right.
Oh,
thank you so much. Thank you, David.
Thank you.